I was drying my daughter's hair and she was going in all directions because she was singing, she was dancing. I did not tell her to stop because it's been years I have decided not to tell a child to stop if I ask myself first, are they doing something dangerous? Why would they stop? Are they bothering anyone? Are they doing something wrong? If not, why tell them to stop? 2. Is she stopping me from doing my job? No, I was able to dry her hair because I was going wherever she was going. So no need to tell her to stop. Some parents just say, yeah, but he's making me crazy. Yeah, you look somewhere else. Or some parents say, can you sit like people? People are adults and kids. Kids don't sit. So they are actually acting like normal people. The third thing is, what if I do what she's doing instead of stopping her? And I started dancing with her. This reduces the quantity of remarks we will say daily and it will increase the bonding moments.